Hey everyone, Linus here. Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes before you unbox your shiny new PC? It's a fascinating journey from raw materials to the powerful machine on your desk. We're going to break down the entire process step by step. Sand is transformed into silicon that powers our digital world. We'll dive into how intricate components like CPUs and motherboards are manufactured. Skilled workers and robots work in tandem to assemble the components. Before a PC is ready, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure quality and performance. Finally, the finished PC is packaged and shipped to your doorstep. Get ready for a wild ride through the world of PC manufacturing. Our journey begins with ordinary sand, which contains silicon dioxide. This sand undergoes a complex process to extract pure silicon. The silicon is then melted down and grown into cylindrical crystals called ingots. These ingots are sliced into thin wafers, polished to perfection, and ready for the next stage. These wafers are the foundation for the intricate circuits that will bring your PC to life. Think of them as blank canvases for the digital world. Each silicon wafer undergoes a process called photolithography. This involves projecting intricate patterns onto the wafer, which are then etched onto the silicon. This is how transistors, the tiny switches that control electricity flow, are created. Millions, even billions, of transistors are etched onto a single wafer, forming the complex circuitry that powers your CPU, memory, and other crucial components. It's a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of your PC. It's created by cutting individual chips from the silicon wafer. Each chip goes through a series of steps, including adding layers of metal connections and a protective casing. Motherboards, on the other hand, are like the nervous system of your PC. They connect all the components together. They are made with layers of fiberglass, copper, and other materials. Specialized machines precisely place components like capacitors, resistors, and connectors onto the motherboard. These components regulate power, filter signals, and provide interfaces for connecting other devices. The CPU socket, a prominent feature on the motherboard, is where the CPU is installed. It's a critical connection point that ensures seamless communication between the CPU and other components. Section 4 assembly lines, putting it all together. Now, let's step onto the factory floor where the magic happens. Assembly lines, a symphony of skilled workers and advanced robotics, are where individual components transform into fully functional PCs. It starts with the motherboard being mounted onto a chassis, the metal frame that houses all the components. Then, the CPU is carefully placed into its socket, followed by the RAM modules, which provide the PC with its short-term memory. Next comes the graphics card, which handles the heavy lifting for gaming and visual tasks. Storage devices such as solid-state drives or hard disk drives are installed to store your operating system, files, and games. The power supply unit is connected, providing the juice to run everything. Finally, the case is closed and the assembled PC moves on to the next stage: quality assurance. Section 5, quality control, making sure it works. Before a PC earns its shipping label, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and performance. This stage is crucial to ensure customer satisfaction and minimize potential issues. The first test is a power-on self-test, where the PC checks its own hardware to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This includes the CPU, RAM, motherboard, and other critical components. Next, the PC runs through a series of stress tests that push its components to their limits. This helps identify any potential overheating issues or instability under heavy workloads. Benchmarking software is also used to assess the PC's performance and compare it to industry standards. If any issues are detected during testing, the PC is sent back for troubleshooting and repair. Only PCs that pass all the tests with flying colors are deemed ready for packaging and shipping. Section 6, from factory to your doorstep, packaging and shipping. The final stage involves carefully packaging the PC to protect it during transit. The PC is placed inside a protective anti-static bag and secured within a sturdy box. Cushioning materials prevent any movement or impact during shipping. The box is sealed with tape and labeled with the shipping address. The PC may be shipped by truck, airplane, or a combination of methods. Tracking information allows you to monitor the progress of your package, so next time you power up your PC, appreciate the journey it took to get to your desk.